It's Free Slurpee Day!
Free Slurpee Day! Free Slurpee Day! Everybody's so happy! Free Slurpee Day, 7-Eleven, 11 to 7. Gonna make it, Dad? Are we gonna make it? Slight concern here. We just got a warning for hail. Hail, no hail. Check out the weather. We only have 45 minutes to get there. Look at this. This is crazy. The deal ends at 7. There it is. There it is. There's the 7-Eleven. We're coming for you, Slurpees.
Look at the traffic.
Free Slurpee time.
The small one?
Yep.
Okay. Is Pierce coming in?
No, because raining, he'll get wet.
Okay.
Head down
Here,
first.
give me a sip. Give me. Oh, you put them right here as easy browse.
Thank you, ma'am.
Oh yeah.
Wait, get yours.
I'm gonna put some lemonade in there too.
All right.
He's not even gonna go. Madness! Everybody's trying to get it before 7. Slurpee!
One's for Pierce.
Yep. Strawberry lemonade and blue raspberry.
Pina colada, and we got caught in the rain.
Can I get a Joyba?
DoorDash! DoorDash!
Go get blue raspberry.
Good? What did you get? Blue raspberry? Just blue raspberry? Oh, you got Coke first.
We got
Oh, who's taller? Hold on.
Is he taller than me yet?
He's taller than you by like an inch.
What are your thoughts? How you feel?
This is amazing.
I've waited for this day my whole
I
life.
worked my whole life for this, man.
I'm gonna smile.
He's ready!
What's my line?
Stop it! Sure, man.
I know. It's burning.
7-Eleven. Ren, let's go. Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Dad.
Thank you!
Enthusiastic.
Thank you!
Thank you, Dad.
Oh my word.
Did you get your free Slurpee on Free Slurpee Day?
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our new channel, J Life RV Adventures. See you soon.
Cheers.